This is a Z Fold 6 in Crafted Black. I had to wait a little longer for this one because it was sold out on Samsung's website when I finally decided to pre order, but it's so worth it. It has a sleek, textured carbon fiber look to it that's just super classy. I was really on the edge about getting the Fold, but I've been loving the S24 Ultra so much that I just could not help it. I installed a Spigen tempered glass screen protector, installed my apps, and got a cool looking wallpaper. I'm super excited to try out the Fold, but on first impressions, the phone is lighter than what you would think, and just like all modern smartphones, it's basically a bar of soap without a case, so I can't wait until mine comes in. Let me know if you have any questions about this stunning crafted black Z Fold 6, and I'll see you in the next one.